As science and technology evolved, new inventions have been discovered to help ease the day-to-day activities of man. These technological advancements have enabled the armed forces like the police and military in different ways, from advanced guns to GPS, to detectors, to mobilization, what have you. The police and military have always used vehicles to satisfy their combat, patrol, and transportation needs. However, the taste and vision for nation policing and military activities have been upgraded by the desire to create a more solid defense standard. If you're a chess lover, check out our number 5 and see what the Rook is capable of. Also, make sure to stay till the end, because our number 1 is the most interesting of them all. Without further ado, let's find out the top 10 coolest police and military vehicles any nation would like to have. Number 10. E2V RF Safe Stop. The RF Safe Stop is mounted on police or military vehicles to enable it to carry out its designated functions. Its incredible design is a superlative target deactivation of technological innovation. The RF Safe Stop was designed to be a non-contact jamming system. This is why a nation will like to own this incredible technology. It is originally designed to stop moving targets across sea, land, or air within a safe distance. The Navy of a nation can use this amazing technology to eradicate an enemy ship, and this will go a long way in easing and facilitating their operations. Imagine the police using this technology to stop a speeding vehicle without much collateral damage. All they have to do is maintain a safe distance between them and the targeted vehicle, thereby reducing the stress and risk involved in a chase. Amazing, right? Number 9. SWAT Bot. The SWAT Bot is a stunning combat vehicle. This incredible vehicle was originally built for the North Miami Police Department. The motors require power from a 24-volt battery, which acts as the voltage source to power the entire system. It is built with a foldable armor wall that can protect up to 12 advancing operators. The SWAT Bot can be used to break through walls and remove obstacles like doors or vehicles effectively within a short period. For its amazing mid-sized body, the SWAT Bot offers its operators adequate cover from explosions and assailing gunfire. If the police or military are adequately trained with the use of this combat vehicle, it can provide them a substantial tactical advantage on the battlefield. It can also offer offensive advantages in an active gunfire scenario, as its armored body protects the operators. The moving vehicle allows them to advance with their operations toward the opposing or enemy territory. It's not just a typical shield, it's a pressure absorber and destroyer on an operation field. Number 8. Onyx Exoskeleton. Being on the field as a military or policeman comes with a lot of unforeseen risks and challenges. This risk may have a physical effect on a person's body. On the operation field, a person might be forced to quickly lift or change the position on a heavy object, affecting and reducing their effectiveness on the field. Remember, a healthy body is a healthy mind, and this is where the Onyx Exoskeleton comes to play. The exoskeleton is a piece of technology designed to manage occupational accidents or an injury risk reduction innovation. It can help the police or military man minimize the risk of physical or internal injury to their back or posture. It helps maintain a balanced body posture, as it could adjust itself to the user's movements and muscle activities. It is a pre- and post-injury correction design. Number 7. Arrest Net. As crime rates increase, it forces the minds to think about easier ways to manage this crime without risking the lives of innocent people or military personnel. The arrest net may seem traditional, but still an effective way to arrest a running vehicle. Unlike other conventional vehicle stopping systems like spike strips, they rely on puncturing tires, an outcome that can lead to loss of vehicle control. The vehicles may continue the movement for a considerable time and distance. The arrest net brings with it a different package. It is a high-strength net that is strategically laid on the path of a targeted vehicle. It gives the operator an advantage to in pursuit effectively without endangering themselves. The net is characterized by barbed spikes that penetrate the vehicle's tires and wrap them up. It's effective in a controlled and safe stoppage of the fleeing vehicle. It comes with a 3-in-1 advantage. It saves lives, it saves money, it saves time. Number 6. ProSpike. Like the RF Safe Stop, the ProSpike is also a vehicle with a few distinguishing features from the RF Safe Stop. It is an engineered software. The ProSpike is like the RF Safe Stop, but with a few distinguishing features. It is an engineered software that can be activated with the use of remote control. This means it can be used without necessarily having police or military personnel physically around the device. Thereby, the operator's safety is guaranteed. The ProSpike can be used in various places of work. It can be used for border control, stopping fleeing suspects, and roadblocks add to traffic. It could also be linked to CCTV systems by the software. It is effective and suitable for access road preventative deployments. You're registered, you pass. If you're not registered, you automatically get stopped. It is as simple as that. It can, however, only be used on land, unlike the RF Safe Stop that can be used on land, air, or sea. Number 5. The Rook. Just like in a chess game, the Rook could be a significant piece for defense and shielding. It shares similar features to the SWAT Bot. The Rook is a combat vehicle with a floor-to-ceiling front that can cover the operators completely. It has 2 front side center doors and has 2 GO lights on top of it. Like the SWAT Bot, it can only carry 4 officers, but interestingly, it gives them a round shield. It has 2 locking gun ports, 4 bulletproof see-through glasses, 2 wireless video cameras, and 5x9 sliding gun ports. It can lift an object of up to 4,500 pounds. It also uses its grapple claw to remove fortified doors or other obstructions and make places accessible by officers. It is designed for disaster scenarios, as it could aid in disaster relief efforts by its incredible ability to collect debris and appropriate emergency responders. It is indeed a Rook. Number 4. Skywall 100. As opposing militaries may choose to spy on a nation's military tactics with an extra eye in the sky, we also owe a big thank you to technological evolution for bringing us this ultimate airspace security. I would like to call the drone confiscator. The Skywall can be used as a standalone drone against military threats. When integrated with other security systems, it is highly capable of offering a counter-drone package. It captures the drone without causing any physical or electrical damage to the drone. It thereby allows an intense forensic investigation and identification of the captured drone operators. If a drone tries to evade capture, the Skywall deploys regardless and controls the safe descent of the destroyed components. I think every nation needs to get itself the Skywall 100. Number 3. OTSAW OR3. For a police or military patrol vehicle, I call this the brain on wheels. The OTSAW OR3 is an outdoor automatic security robot. It is a self-driving vehicle and artificial intelligence technology with exceptional data gathering and analysis capabilities. This incredible innovation is powered by computer vision and advanced machine learning technology. Not to bore you with the engineering of this patrol vehicle, it also has an amazing sensor ability to detect dynamic obstacles and avoid static objects and immediately bring itself back to base when it runs out of energy. So all you have to do is sit back and watch your gadget do the work. This way, the police officer is not only far from harm and stress-free, but could see through the desktop screen a live patrol, which he sits on a comfortable chair in the office, sipping a cup of tea and having a donut. Number 2. BAzina Riot. In the case of a riot outbreak or a disaster, the police and special military squads come in to manage the disaster and reduce casualties or destruction to lives and properties. Yes, they're well trained, but unforeseen circumstances happen. Who guarantees the safety of these officers that put their lives on the front line? The BAzina Riot is highly structured. As the name implies, it's a vehicle or system that is used for riot control. It is a protected and easily deployable barrier that can be used to direct gathered crowds in the desired direction. Its high structure gives an advantage in monitoring and observing operational situations and communicating to rioters through the use of a loudspeaker. Through the help of the BAzina Riot, the personnel are involved physically in calming the riot situation without being mixed up in the riot, thereby giving them maximum control of the situation at hand. Policing made easier. To save the best for last, number 1 is my personal favorite. It brings the military an extra advantage in war situations. Number 1. The HDT Hunter Wolf. As the activities on the front line intensify, all hands will be needed on the battlefield. The Hunter Wolf serves as a carrier of food and weapons to the military personnel. It could also serve as a shield as it has the silent watch and silent drive capability. It can deliver items quietly and has the capacity to carry tons of loads. The Hunter-wheeled offload logistics follower, or Wolf, has been manufactured by the HDT company since 2012. Evaluation of this vehicle has been carried out by the SOCOM, Marine Corps, and US Army. The vehicle is for the simplicity and rudeness. The structure and architecture of this vehicle make it easy to upgrade. The vehicle is a 6x6 dismounted infantry load carrier. The design of this vehicle makes it possible for it to traverse narrow trails, dense jungles, heavy slopes, and ridges. It is a government's responsibility to protect and provide security, territorial integrity, and sovereignty of its nation. There you have it, the 10 coolest police and military vehicles that any nation defense should possess. Thank you for staying till the end of the video. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the like button and also smash that subscribe button to be part of the unique family. Don't forget to click on the bell icon near the subscribe button. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments down below on what video you want to see next. Like always, y'all, have a good one.